Hello, in this video, we will explain how to use reshape with -1 here, or -1 here. So reshape -1, 1, and reshape 1, -1 in Python. Because this is often that you can see in data analysis examples, and sometimes maybe puzzled with what means this -1. And basically speaking, reshape -1, 1 will reshape your array, and array is from numpy array, right? Array can be 1 dimension, 2 dimension, and 3 dimension and more. So this will reshape to a 2-dimensional array, and with 1 column here represents 1 column and as many rows as necessary. So which means the numpy, if you use -1 in one of the dimension, the numpy will calculate automatically how many elements or how many rows or how many columns in this dimension. So you just fill the 1 in the other dimension. So like this. So this will reshape your array with 1 row and as many columns as necessary. So next we will show examples in Python IDE, and you can also, for example, download this file by checking the menu download in this website. Then we go to this file in Python and find the section for understanding numpy reshape -1 and reshape 1 -1 here. First import numpy SNP, because reshape function comes from numpy module. Then we create an array, 1-dimension array with 6 elements. So we just show this array. It's very clear, 1 to 6, 6 elements, 1-dimension array. The original array, the shape is 6. This means 1-dimensional. And if we now will reshape this array to 2-dimension with 2 rows, 3 columns, then we can use the reshape in the parameter in 2, 3. Reshape array to 2, 3, and this is the new array. So 2 row, 3 column, because this is 2-dimensional, and you can see the extra bracket here compared with the 1-dimensional array with only 1 bracket, right? So this is 2 brackets, 2-dimensional, and we can show the shape of this array 2, 3. The original is 6, 1. 6 is only 6, so this is now is 2-dimensional, right? But if you use -1 and 1, so which will reshape to a new array with the 1 column and as many rows as possible. Then we show this new array's dimension. Now it's 6, 1, so because 1 is for the column and 6 is for the row, and numpy will fill this number for you. You do not need to calculate by yourself. So this -1 will be an easier shortcut. We show this new array, 1 column and 6 row, and this is 2-dimension. You can see 2 levels of brackets here. And on the contrary, if we want to use reshape 1 -1, so now will be 1 row and 6 column. So we create again this original numpy array with 6 elements in a 1-dimensional array. Then we reshape again this original array and save to a new array, and with the shape 1 -1. It's done. Then we show this new array's dimension. Now it's 1 row, 6 column. Also 2-dimensional array. Then we show this array 1-dimensional 2 column. You can see also 6 elements, but this is actually 2-dimensional array because there are 2 brackets, right? Just because it's only 1 row here. But if you have another row, it will be located here, but also 2 levels bracket. So this is a 2-dimensional array, right? Because we set 1 minus 1. So it is quite tricky, and sometimes you see these 6 elements just because we set 1 and with a minus 1. Minus 1 is for the second dimension or column dimension, just as many columns as possible. So now also you can see the only 6 elements may be same as the original 1-dimensional array, but it's not. It is a 2-dimensional array now. And for this website, we also provide online training for the Python and R training. From this website, we provide a very cheap price on the weekend course, about 8 hours. Either you can learn Python or you learn R in 8 hours. And thanks for watching.